In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ConvertKit Snippets for faster email marketing. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive in. Email marketing can often feel like a time-consuming task, especially when you find yourself crafting messages from scratch each time you hit send. But what if I told you there's a way to speed up the process significantly? That's where ConvertKit Snippets come into play. Snippets are like mini templates or reusable blocks of text that you can quickly insert into your emails. They help streamline your workflow and ensure consistency in your messaging. To start, open up your ConvertKit dashboard. Make sure you're logged in, as we'll need to access the Snippets section. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the Snippets option, which typically can be found in the account settings of your profile. It's important to know that snippets are linked to your account and available across all your campaigns, which is a great feature for maintaining a consistent brand voice. Now let's create your first snippet. Click on the Create Snippet button. You'll typically be prompted to enter a name or title for your snippet. Naming it something easy to recognize is key, since it will serve as a helpful reference later on. For example, if you often write welcoming messages for new subscribers, you could name your snippet Welcome Message. Once you've entered the name, you can start typing your text. Here, you can include anything that you find yourself writing repeatedly. This could be a signature sign-off, an announcement about a new product, or even a link to your social media profiles. Just remember, the more valuable and reusable the content is, the more effective your snippets will be. After drafting your snippet, it's time to save it. In ConvertKit, you'll usually find a button that says Save or Create Snippet. Go ahead and click that. And just like that, your snippet is now saved and ready to be used in your future emails. Isn't that simple? Now, when you go to compose a new email, look for the Snippets option in the Editor toolbar. It might look like a little magic wand or a drop-down menu. Click it, and you'll see a list of all the snippets you've created. When you find the one you need, just click on it, and it will insert into your email draft right where your cursor is. No more copying and pasting from old emails or scrambling to remember what you wrote last time. Using these snippets not only saves you time, but also ensures that your messages are consistent. Whether you're updating your audience on new content, sharing a special promotion, or simply reaching out to say thank you, your snippets can provide a reliable framework and tone across all your communications. As you continue to work with ConvertKit, feel free to refine your snippets over time. You might find certain phrases aren't quite capturing what you wanted, or maybe there's a new message you want to share frequently. Don't hesitate to edit or even delete snippets that no longer serve your purpose. Customization is key to making your email marketing efforts efficient and effective. Finally, let's talk about the positive impact snippets can have on your overall email marketing strategy. By speeding up your email creation process, you free up more time to focus on crafting compelling content, analyzing your engagement metrics, or experimenting with different strategies. So there you have it. Using ConvertKit snippets can tremendously enhance your email marketing efficiency. It's about working smarter, not harder, and leveraging automation tools to their fullest extent. If this video helped you learn something new today, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.